Okay. Good morning, everyone. My name is Divya Goyal, and I am having 8+ years of experience in mathematics. And today I'm going to teach you the topic differentiation. Okay, let's start. So, what is differentiation? Like, what do you mean by differentiation? So, differentiation means in which you differentiate the numbers, in which you separate the numbers. All right, in the form of constant and in the form of variables. Fine. And we are having a particular function and we need to differentiate. For example, we are having a function fx and we need to differentiate it. Okay, let me explain it with the help of whiteboard. I'm opening my whiteboard. You can see. Okay, so here is my whiteboard. So just a differentiation. So, like we are having a function fx. Okay, so when we are differentiating it, it becomes f dash x. All right, or like we are having a function fx, we are taking this function as y. Okay, so f dash x, like we have to differentiate, this become this, and this y become dy over dx. Like d means the differentiation. Okay, so it means that we are differentiating the number, we are differentiating y with respect of x. Differentiate y with respect to x. So because it is in the respect of x, that's why we are taking the dy over dx in the denominator. Okay. Let's take an example. Now the formula. Formula of very first formula and the very easy formula of differentiation is NaN minus 1. Okay. So N means the power. A means constant. Okay. So let me take an example. Example is x square. Okay. So this x is a and this part is n, right? So NaN minus 1. So we have to write the n first, that is 2, then a, that is x, and then less 1 from the power, 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So the answer is 2x. Simple. Let me take one more example. If I'm taking the example, x cubed. So always write the power first because the formula is NaN minus 1. So 3x, 3 minus 1. 3x, 3 minus 1 is 2. That's the answer. Okay. Now, if I'm having a constant number also, like 2x square, like this. Okay. So, as I have already told you, differentiation means you have to separate it. So, just write the 2 separately. Now, differentiate x square. So, x square apply NaN minus 1. So, write 2x, 2 minus 1. That is 2x. 2 multiply 2 is 4 and x is it. So the 4x is the answer. That's how you're gonna solve it. If you are having the question in the equation form, 3x square plus 4x plus 2. Always remember one thing, whenever we are having a constant number, the differentiation will be the 0. You do not need to how you will differentiate it when you are having no variable. So that's why whenever you are getting a single constant number, its differentiation will be completely 0. Okay. And one more thing, the points to be remember, if any number is having the power 0, its value is 1. It's not differentiation, it's a common exponent powers concept. If any number is having the power 0, its value is 1. Fine. Now, in terms of differentiation, any number which are having a variable without power, like 2x, x does not have any power. So just write the constant number as it is, because a single variable implies the differentiation value 1. Okay. I can explain it also, like 2x. Like if we are taking the power 1, so it will be 1 minus 1, 0. Any number is having the power 0, I told you its value is 1. So 2 multiply 1 is simple. So here, 3x square. So keep the 3 separate. X square's differentiation is 2 coming in front. It's 2 minus 1 plus 4. 4x differentiation is 2x differentiation is 2. So the 4x differentiation is 4. No. 2 is a constant number. Put it as 0. 2x. 2 minus 1, 1. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, 6x. If the power is 1, you do not need to write it. So the answer is 6x plus 4. That's the simple answer. Fine. Let's do one more question. 2x cube. I think that's the previous one. 2x to the power 4 plus 6x square plus 3x plus 1. So write this as it is. Now 4x, 4 minus 1, 3 plus 6 separately. 2x, 2 minus 1, 1 plus 3x differentiation is 3 and 1's differentiation is 0. Now 4 multiplied 2 is 8x cubed. 3 multiplied 2 is 6 multiplied 2 is 12x, 1 plus 3 plus 0. And 2, 8x cubed plus 12x plus 3. That's the answer. I hope it's clear to you. All right. So today we have learned a lot of topics. All right. The topics regarding to differentiation, and in which we are having a formula, a simple formula, that is any n minus 1. And we have solved 5, 6 questions, simple question to equation questions. And in the next topic, we'll learn about how to solve the trigonometric terms in terms of differentiation. Fine. Thank you so much.